Removing a card from Samsung Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully delete a card from your account. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your cards. Once in the app, navigate to the Cards section. This is usually found on the main screen or in a menu. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Scroll through your list of cards and tap on the card you wish to remove. This will open the card details. Step 4. Find the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete Card. This is typically located at the bottom of the card details page. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the Remove option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to delete the card, and it will be removed from your Samsung Pay account. Now you have successfully removed a card from Samsung Pay. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the app's help section.